Hi guys, welcome to the channel. The NFT fever has been spreading like wildfire across the world. For the uninitiated, NFTs are a type of digital asset which uses blockchain to record the ownership of assets. And this explosion in the NFT craze is not only limited to world-renowned celebrities, but even global brands are rapidly jumping onto the NFT bandwagon. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about 10 big brands that joined the NFT world. Without further ado, let's begin. 10. Adidas. In December 2021, sportswear giant Adidas Originals launched its first NFT drop of digital and physical products. It had a link up with big names in the NFT community, including the Bored Ape Yacht Club, G-Money, and the team behind Punk's comics for the NFT release. The NFTs gave buyers access to virtual wearables for the blockchain-based gaming world, the sandbox, and a physical hoodie, tracksuit, and G-Money icon orange beanie. Adidas even snapped up an NFT for itself, a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT named Indico Hers. And that's not all. Even in January 2022, Adidas and Italian luxury fashion house Prada have joined forces to launch an NFT project built on the Polygon network that would allow fans to contribute their own designs. Number 9. Lamborghini. Recently, luxury automobile company Lamborghini had announced the launching of its space-themed NFT collection in January 2022. The special story behind the NFT launch dates back to 2019 when Lamborghini had sent a piece of carbon fiber composite for research purposes to the International Space Station, ISS, as a part of a joint research project. So, the physical space keys are made from this material itself, which had actually been to space. 8. Coca-Cola. In July 2021, for celebrating International Friendship Day, which happens to be on July 30th, Coca-Cola had released a series of 4 NFTs, which were animated, one-of-one digital artworks delivering multi-sensory experiences, and unlocked surprise items upon purchase for the first owner. The surprises included things like a Coca-Cola bubble jacket wearable that can be worn in the virtual reality platform Dance Central Land, the Coca-Cola Friendship Card, inspired by the original 1940s artwork, among others. And that's not all. Coca-Cola again issued a new set of 4 branded NFTs in December 2021 through the VV platform. 7. Nike. Adidas's rival Nike, too, has dipped its toes into the NFT world. In December 2021, Nike had announced the acquisition of RTFKT Studios, which it called a leading brand that leverages cutting-edge innovation to deliver next-generation collectibles that merge culture and gaming. Founded in January 2020, RFTKT, pronounced as Artifact, sells digital items like sneakers in the form of NFTs. While announcing the deal that month, Nike CEO John Donahoe had called the acquisition of Artifact as another step to serve athletes and creators. Although the other details of the deal were not disclosed, one of Artifact's co-founders, Benoit Pagotto, said that this is a unique opportunity to build the Artifact brand, and we are excited to benefit from Nike's foundational strength and expertise to build the community we love. 6. Louis Vuitton. This leading luxury French fashion house, too, caught the NFT craze. In commemoration of its 200th birthday anniversary of Louis Vuitton, born on August 4, 1821, the brand created Louis the Game, which draws the spotlight to the rich heritage through NFTs and in-game innovations. The video game even sports a dedicated character by the name of Vivian, who has been created to resemble Louis Vuitton. While playing the game, you can delve into the legacy of the fashion house and collect monogram candles in the process that are needed to access other levels. 5. Samsung. In the early weeks of January 2022, Samsung announced that it's planning extensive support of NFTs, beginning with its 2022 TV lineup. In its press release, Samsung stated that with demand for NFTs on the rise, the need for a solution to today's fragmented viewing and purchasing landscape has never been greater. In 2022, Samsung is introducing the world's first TV screen-based NFT Explorer. Samsung also mentioned that this platform will let creators share their art with the world and let potential buyers preview an NFT before purchasing it and learn about an NFT's history and blockchain metadata. 4. Pepsi. In December 2021, Pepsi had announced the brand's first ever foray into the evolving world of NFT with the Pepsi Mic Drop Genesis NFT collection. Pepsi announced that it aims to create 1,893, to mark the year Pepsi was born, unique generative-style NFTs. Pepsi's press release stated that the exclusive generative traits of the Pepsi Mic Drop Genesis NFT collection is generated randomly by an algorithm so that each NFT is totally unique and different. Moreover, the Pepsi Mic Drop NFT will be grounded in variations of a microphone visual and inspired by iconic Pepsi flavors including classic blue Pepsi, silver Diet Pepsi, red Pepsi Wild Cherry, black Pepsi Zero Sugar, even the fan favorites Crystal Pepsi, and many more. 3. McDonald's. In a bid to do something big on the 40th anniversary of McRib, McDonald's released a limited edition 10 McRib NFTs in the US. Designed to commemorate the return of the fast food restaurant's limited collection McRib to its menu in November 2021, McDonald's delivered the first ever NFT promotion. McDonald's issued a limited number of NFTs, bubbled MC NFT, as a part of a virtual collectible art collection featuring the McRib as a way of creating excitement about the product's temporary return, as well as limited availability. The collection of 10 individual McRib NFTs was only available to those who retweeted the brand's innovation, which more than 21,000 people did within just a few hours, and nearly 93,000 had done by the start of 2022. 2. Burger King. Another burger chain that stepped into the NFT world is Burger King. In September 2021, the fast food restaurant chain announced the launch of an NFT campaign called Keep It Real Meals Initiative. The campaign was in collaboration with the NFT Marketplace Suite. The NFT Marketplace have revealed the partnership. This NFT initiative showcases QR codes tethered to close to 6 million meal boxes. Scanning the QR code will unlock a digital collectible, and Burger King's announcements say collecting them can lead to unlocking bonus NFTs. 1. Ray-Ban. Another brand that didn't shy away from entering the NFT world has been the designer eyewear company Ray-Ban. In October 2021, it entered the NFT space by auditioning off its first and only NFT featuring the brand's iconic aviator sunglasses. The NFT was auctioned on OpenSea, with the proceeds going to the Italian Art Trust. Besides these brands, some other campaigns have also stepped onto the NFT bandwagon, including Under Armour, Gucci, Ferrari, etc. Certainly, the NFT craze is showing no signs of a slowdown. Let's see what's next in store in the coming months of 2022. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below. What are your thoughts about it? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.